Good morning, it's Monday morning and we're going to Scotland today, to Stirling, to the Hotel Colessio for 4 nights. Hi there, I'm Colin Begg.
And I'm Christine.
And together we are the Begg Family Antics. We now have a web shop available at beggfamily.uk/. After the third or fourth attempt at the ecotricity charger, because we can't see where the other one is. There's supposed to be some ionometers here somewhere. We finally got it to start charging. We've got the blue light on down there and it's humming away nicely. We've come to Harry Ramsden, which is the only place with decent food. So I've got a small fish and chips with mushy peas. Is that a beef pie?
Yeah, she said beef.
That's Christine's got a beef pie with chips and mushy peas. Get the lovely cutlery. The car decided to switch displays after the charging, but we've got 22 miles left, 11%. And looking at the nearest charge things, there's 1.3, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4. There's lots around here. And now for the official room tour. Welcome to our room at the Hotel Colessio. This is called a King Plus bed, isn't it, darling? Christine is resting nonchalantly on her phone. There's a lovely table for my computer and the kettle. And a bottle of wine and 2 glasses. A very nice wardrobe.
What do you call this place?
One of those rest things for the suitcase. You must look out the window. Although I think I did show you earlier on. It's absolutely splendiferous. Moving on to the bathroom. Christine also noticed there's actually a drawer. And that's where our bath bags come. In the meantime, I'm generating more files and going down for dinner. We booked for 8 o'clock and it's 4 minutes to.
Here's something. Don't lay your legs strong.
Over. Christine's got a dinky bottle of Diet Coke. And I've got a really tall glass of lime and soda. Christine's got a lentil soup and a bun with butter. So has Colin. Christine's got a burger with chips and coleslaw. You gonna enjoy that, darling? We've got chicken with haggis. Just finished our mains and now we're looking at desserts. We're fancying sticky toffee and cranachan. And obviously switching in the middle. Christine's having cranachan. Fancying that one?
Yeah.
And I've got sticky toffee pudding. Tuesday morning. Porridge, yay. I've got tea and Christine's having coffee. What's your cereal, anyone? Crunchy nut cornflakes. We've both got orange juices and I'm just waiting for a porridge. My porridge has come, and it comes with honey. So Christine's gone off the idea now. Not a big honey fan. I've added a splidge of cooling milk. Our breakfasts have come. Apparently this is a potato cake, and this is how the Scottish do sausage. And there's the bacon, of course. Christine has the same. Are you all set, darling?
Yeah.
There's lots of chargers here. This one's got AC, CCS, and the Tesla's using CHAdeMO. This one's not covered over, you see. And this one has got two Type 2 connectors, but how much power does it produce? I don't know. We're walking along next to the railway, trying to get to town from the Forthside car park. We'll probably find it come the long way around, but we're having fun. Getting some exercise in, eh, darling? We've found the Thistle shopping centre, and we're going to have a look. We're just looking for toilets, and apparently it's pre-mark and left around here. We're having a Victoria sponge. Christine's got a cappuccino. We're also having a clotted cream and jam fruit scone, and I've got Earl Grey here. And here's the finished product after Christine's worked her wonders. She has the same. We're on the way back to the car now, and we're walking over the railway with a rather spectacular bridge. Can't see a lot of trains in the station, but there's plenty of tracks. We popped to Stirling Castle earlier on the way back to the hotel. And it turns out you've got to book it, so because they can only have 65 people in. So we've just been on the website and booked some tickets, and I've downloaded a map, which will be on the phone when we get there. We're going to the Stirling Arcade.
That's cute, that square one, leathery.
I'm just trying to make out what it is. Somebody in London. Rather bedraggled and soaked, but that was a nice little walk, and we're back.